Hey! Are you looking for a perfect WordPress backup plugin to back up your website? Creating daily WordPress backups is the best thing you can do to guarantee your website's security. After all, who doesn't want peace of mind from disastrous circumstances? Here, WPUp brings you a list of WordPress backup plugins to back up your website. Updraft Plus is the most popular WordPress backup plugin on the market. You can make a full backup of your WordPress account and save it on your computer, cloud, or download files. Let us look at the unique features that it offers. With Updraft Plus, you can easily make a website copy and migrate to another host. It does not require to make a complete backup. Make successive copies of the data contain only the portion that is changed. You can even store data at multiple storage options provided by Updraft Plus. With Updraft Plus, your data will be safe, secure, and encoded and only can be decrypted by the user. Our expert team is always ready to help you out with 24/7 hour support. Updraft Plus is available free in the WordPress directory. But if you want to enjoy premium features, just upgrade to their premium plans. Let's see what they have to offer. Updraft Plus offers a complete package of unique premium features to complete backup your website. Premium plans to start from basic $70 Pro $195 per year. With their premium plans, you will get a complete add-on set and their unique features. You will get full 1-year free support and regular plugin updates plus add-on updates. This premium plugin provides you with a free subscription of 1 gigabit of storage free. Developers keep pushing regular plugin updates every month. The most prominent WordPress plugin that is used to backup and migrates WordPress websites. Now, let's bump into some of the best features offered by this WordPress backup plugin. Duplicator enables you to drag an archive to the destination site simply. You can simply store your website backup data in their multiple cloud storage. Supports most premium managed hosts available. No multi-stage or process required to migrate a multi-site WordPress network. Users are regularly notified by email notifications and have complete professional support. Let's check out what they have to offer more. Let's check out their price and plans. Duplicator is also available free to download from the WordPress directory with limited functionality. To enjoy more their premium features, just upgrade to their premium plans running from $69 to $549 per year. You can buy and use a plugin license, ranging from 3 to unlimited websites. With their premium plans, you can have regular plugin updates and professional support up to lifetime. With a regular update interval of almost 2 months, Duplicator receives bug fixes and other updates. WP Time Capsule is the best option for you if you just want to back up your latest files, not the whole WordPress website. With the help of WP Time Capsule, you can back up your site in real time. It enables you to automatically back up before each update if an update causes an undesired change. WP Time Capsule encrypts your DB backups to add an extra layer of security and makes your backup GDPR compatible. To enjoy its exclusive and unique features, you can opt for their premium upgradation plans starting from $49 to $199 per year with a 30-day free trial. Their premium plans offer you some unique features, like multiple options of restore window days. As per the chosen plan, you can even use a plugin license up to unlimited sites. With a single-click staging, it enables you to test any change you are planning to make on your site. Developers always try to bring a better user experience by bringing regular and frequent new updates every 2 weeks. BackUPUp is a WordPress backup plugin that lets you make full WordPress backups for free and save them on cloud storage. BackUPUp allows you to export backup files into XML format instantly. It regularly checks database errors and repairs when needed. It allows you to store backup files at cloud storage, FTP server, directory, Dropbox, and many more. All these exciting and amazing features bundles in their premium plans. Starting from the standard plan for $69 and goes up to supreme $349 per year. In BackUPUp premium plans, you will get Complete 365 days of technical assistance and regular plugin updates to ensure a high user experience. You can even use this plugin with the high premium plans and install it on up to a maximum of 100 WordPress websites. BackWPUp brings you regular updates on an average of 1 to 2 per week with revised bug fixes. These are the fantastic features that make the BackWPUp plugin worth trying. WP Database Backup helps you set up an automated backup plan for your website and retrieve it from your WordPress dashboard. WP Database Backup plugin helps you to create database backup easily with a single click. You can even schedule backup, and it automatically creates backups according to it. You can store your backup files at multiple storage destinations, like Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon S3, FTP, email. You can even search and sort your backup file by date and database size. You can enjoy all these unique and out-of-the-box features by signing up for their premium plans. Starting at their standard plan at $22 and goes up to the developer plan at $49 per month. In their premium plans, you will have up to unlimited website installations. Developers enhance the user experience by fixed errors and bugs through monthly updates. Still, you did not find your perfect match and still looking for more plugins? Just try out these WordPress backup plugins just for you. Some more best WordPress backup plugins for you: BackupBuddy, BlogVault, BoldGrid Backup, WPDB Backup, BackupWordPress. Backup and migrate your WordPress website with WordPress backup plugins on WP Oven. Managed WordPress hosting.